Looking for a processor that blends powerhouse performance for creators with blazing speed for gamers? The AMD Zen 4-based CPU delivers over 100 FPS in the world's most popular games, making it a top choice for anyone who demands speed and reliability. With 16 cores and 32 threads, this processor handles multitasking like a champ. It hits a max boost clock of 5.7 GHz and comes unlocked for overclocking, so you can push your system even further. Plus, its massive 80 MB cache and DDR5-5200 memory support keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. Built for the advanced socket AM5 platform, it supports PCIe 5.0 on select 600 series motherboards. This means faster data transfer and future-proof compatibility for your next-gen components. Just remember, it doesn't come with a cooler. Liquid cooling is recommended to keep temperatures in check during heavy workloads. One satisfied user shared how this processor transformed their workflow. Processing giant 50-plus megapixel photos and running 3D CAD tasks became incredibly fast. Lightroom performance improved dramatically, cutting photo sorting and processing times in half or better. What used to take 10 to 15 minutes for a full card import now takes just 2 minutes. Loading and displaying each picture dropped from around 5 seconds to under 1 second. Exporting 50 high-resolution JPEGs, once a 10-minute ordeal, now completes in less than a minute. This kind of speed makes a real difference when you're juggling demanding creative projects. If you're a creator or gamer ready to upgrade, this AMD processor offers what you need: raw power, quick responsiveness, and future-ready features. It's designed to handle intensive workloads without breaking a sweat, so you can focus on what matters: your work and your play. Worth a look if you want a processor that keeps up with your ambitions and delivers solid results right out of the box. Try it when you're ready to experience a noticeable boost in productivity and gaming performance.